friends, Trisha Clark here with SparkleFarts Paper Crafts, and today I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into what I'm working on. I'm prepping for Junk Journal July, and just wanted to show you the start of it. I'm participating in the Junk Journal July collaboration that Bee Happy Stationery and Lindsay are doing, but I'm going to be working with Bee Happy Stationery. I have a couple of projects going. But I'm going to be working with her Whimsical Frog Village kit. And it's just, I don't have the whole kit printed, but I want to show you some pieces for you to get a vibe. She's going to be releasing one for each season of the year. And I'm going to do a whole kind of immersive project. I'm going to start with a box, but let me show you a few images from the kit before I get too far along. A ton. I think there must have been 20 pages of ephemera. And I just love these little labels. I think they're going to be super cute. Lots of fun fussy cuts, which she doesn't really have a ton of fussy cuts. And these are going to be so much fun. And so I can't wait for you to see what I have in mind. And then this is a lot of the ephemera. But let me just show you some of the images, some of the pages. This is the Whimsical Frog Village. We've got Frog Cottage, Frog Village Collection, the Frog Garden Spring Collection. We're going to have a really cute map. These are some of the papers I've already been cutting. Aren't they so cute? The little frog couple together is our favorite place to be. Very lavender, pink, and green. And I love that she's got a mix of really busy pages with some spots for journaling and decorating. But my vision for this is, within this kit, the stuff I haven't printed, is there is a tea shop and bakery. There's a post office. And so my vision is this cute collector's box, which I've put together here. And it still needs to be decorated. So here's the box. And it's not going to have a lid. I want it to be more of a display. But I've decorated the sides here and the back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a set of 5 folios, and they'll fit right in the box. And we're going to have one to introduce the village, and there's a map of the village that will be included. And then we'll have a folio for each one of the businesses. And then my plan is to do the same thing for each season. And we'll see how full I can get this thing, or if I have to create different boxes. So this is the box that needs to be decorated. I've shown you some of the kit. And then I have scraps everywhere from trying to figure out my dimensions. And so here's where I landed. And the construction's going to be roughly the same on each one of the folios. But then the flips and flaps on the inside are going to be slightly different. So this will be the front. And I'll be sharing these dimensions with you. And I'll be decorating these through the month of July. So we'll have a belly band here. I'll have a nice tuck spot or a pocket here. And then this will flip down. This will be a flip with a pocket. This will be a flip, a hinged flip here with a tuck. And this will just be a background scene. Maybe one of those with a little bit of blank space in the middle if you wanted to journal there. And then this will be a pocket with a smaller pocket for tickets, postage stamps, things like that. And it'll close like this. And I don't know if I'm going to do magnets or Velcro here. So this is just a sneak peek of where I'm going. So I'm going to add some laces, some of the fussy cuts to the box. If you're interested in this project, go check out the kits at Sandra's Bee Happy Stationery coffee shop and grab your Whimsical Frog Village. And be sure to follow along for Junk Journal July, and I'll have all those links for you below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.